Hello, Paul here. I'm going to give you a really quick introduction to promo.com. It used to be called Slidely Promo, but now it's promo.com. It's a really easy way to make videos for your marketing that you can share on your social networks, that you can share on your YouTube. You can embed it on your website, and it's just a really quick way to promote something via video for you, and you can try it for free. No problem, right? But let's talk about pricing first before we jump in. So let's talk about pricing. It isn't free. It's going to cost you, if you sign up annually, $29 a month to make one video a month, or $49. You can make it as many up to 100. So that's like 10 a month, 8 a month. And then if you pay $179, you can get pretty much unlimited clips per year. Oh, and you can white label, share it, and relabel everything. So basically what you're going to pay, if you're going to pay monthly as well, it's going to be $39 a month. So consider this, $39 per video. You're going to log in and buy $39 to make one video, and you can decide whether that's worth value to you. If you know, one promoted advert on your social media for $39 is still better than hiring somebody to do it, isn't it? So I get a lot of people on my last promo video complaining about the price. Well, I say it's $40 and you're going to have a video in minutes ready to go. So it's kind of, at this point, if you don't want to pay $40, then probably don't watch any further. Right, so I'm going to sign up for a free trial, but what's going to happen is it's not going to let me download the videos without watermarks on it, right? So we're going to go here, try for free, and sign up. I'll sign up because I've already got an account. I'll do Paul Promo. It's going to let me do 5 draft projects for free, and then it's going to let me in, right? Did I do everything right there? Yes. So, let's create beautiful marketing videos, promos, over 15 million quality videos. So work out what area you're in, if you're into sports or health and fitness, whatever your niche or your marketing or your company area is, pick that, and then they'll offer you some videos that might make sense to you. So let me do sports, golf, because I do a lot of golf stuff. So it's going to filter and say, look, here's some premium. Let's just go for I'll go for the intro. Let's next uncover the top menu features that will include the best videos. Search here to get your videos. Filter search results here for different media. Promo templates. Discover perfect ready-made video templates for your business. Simply customize the message. Latest templates. That's if there's like something happening. Content calendar. This is you know, what holidays are coming up. What do you want to promote for your business? You know, say there's Halloween coming up, you want to do a Halloween video, something like that. Brown footage, scroll with the raw videos to browse footage. I'm sure that is. Let's turn this off, right? And you can upload your own stuff. So firstly, it's going to give me some promo template options, and I can just have a look and say, do I want to use this kind of video? Right, let's probably look at something else. And you can pick and find whatever template you want. So let's have a look at this one. So at the top you can see what it looked like on a maybe Instagram story, square for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter maybe, wide for YouTube. And it's just going to play through, and it'll probably come up with your logo at the end. Right, so that's it. Well, maybe we'll use this one, right? So we can use this one by just clicking customize. So we're going to edit it for our own business. Customize it. Again, you're going to get a walkthrough. Here's the text. Here's the text style if you want to change it. Select a position of your alignment. Fonts. Add more clips if you want. Drag to adjust captions if you want to make it a longer video. Drag to adjust the clip. Length and trimming, so if you want to make it shorter or longer to fit something like Twitter, add your final message and logo. Okay, Got it? So you can jump in and edit this. Browse media library, add some music, save and preview. Right, so we want to put in there whatever we want, right? We can change this text in to a different type. Again, something like this. Change double tip and just change it. Golf. Oh, golf. Golf is simple. Oh, let's do it all in capitals, keep it the same. Press enter to add a line or done. Golf is simple. Maybe fade. That was what it was before, wasn't it? Waterfall. Step up. You can change the font up here if I want a different font. Lobster. Oh, no, not lobster. Gibson. Golf is simple. Let's just go back to something pretty straightforward. I think the closest one I use is Fredoco or something like that. It's not there. Bangers. Golf is simple. Then you can go to this one. Eat, sleep, and play golf. Oh, again. I can edit that. Repeat. Done. Change it, tinker with it, do whatever I want to do. You know, if I want to make it alignment in the center or off to the right, move it around. Obviously you need it to be in a dark place, but play with it. I mean, most people are used to things like this, right? And then the outro. Click the outro style, whichever one you want. We'll leave it as the default. But if you want Trustpilot things as well, you can add Trustpilot. Add your logo here. Upload a logo. Is my other computer on? Come on, yeah. So look, I'm going to upload my logo to this. Where is it? Where is it? Happy me. This is only a small logo, but this will work. Again, it'll upload quick. Add to video. Oh, what did that say? Love it, live it. happymegolf.com. Done. Love it, live it, happymegolf.com. Save and preview. Renders it pretty fast. A lot of other types don't go as fast on other programs. Golf is simple. Eat, sleep and play golf, repeat. And at the end. So I didn't really change much, did I? I don't think it's going to let you publish it. Yeah, it's going to ask you for money at this point to publish it. But obviously, if you've paid, then that would count as one premium clip a month. Right? So you could just share it and you'd be away. Let's just tinker with a few more things. Let's go over and change the music. Ziggy. It's probably a filter at the top, right? So let's go funny. Instrument. Brass. Bit of Benny Hill. Yeah, let's use this one, right? So use it. Selected. Let's go back to the editor. We can change the video if we want. I'm not going to do it just because it might mess me up a bit. But you can just pick another video. So if we wanted this one instead, so I'll do it. Let's go for it. Use. Oh, that actually added it on. I was clicked on the outro when I. Let me go back. Oh, what did I click on then? Editor. Let's go back to the editor. Let's go back. Let's move this back over here. Oh, delete this. Are you sure? Yes. move the outro back over here. So you can add a clip. If you wanted to edit this, then you can replace it here. That's what I should have done. So if I wanted to replace this one with this and then speed it up, can I drag it out? That's as long as it is. And then you might want to add another one. So I shouldn't have tinkered too much, should I? Let's replace it with this one. And make it longer, right? Drag it out. So now we can save and preview. We've changed the video so that the text might not line up. But hopefully you're getting that you can just quickly dive in and mess about and change stuff however you want it to be. So we changed the video, changed the music, and you're done, right? You could probably share it with somebody. Promo, copy. So you could share this with your team and say, what do you think? What do we need to do? Get your own branded share page if you pay, obviously. But then you're just going to publish it. And all you've done, you've created right from scratch a fun video. And it's cost you $29 or $39 pound. And you're away, aren't you? You're done. So that you're basically finished. Just stop that. So that you can do up to 5 on the free version. So you can just do new project. Let's show you. Let's go to the calendar, right? So we could go right in what's coming up. Obviously July the 4th's been gone. Manic Monday. World Emoji Day. Get the video. TGIF. Dog Days of Summer. What's this one? Friday the 12th. So you can have a Friday. See if you've got a bar or you've got something. You can grab a template. You can start, your own. You can decide which type you want. If you want to do an Instagram ad, here's some info on Instagram, size pages, Facebook videos. Do that, create them. But, all you're going to do is go in, find something that you kind of like. Well, I'm on templates already. Again, if I just do golf, it's going to come up with these ones. Let's do yoga, right? Let's do yoga. Maybe a yoga studio. Did I search for that? Right, and you've got all these now. Can preview. You can see it if you like it, customize it. As we know, we can go down the bottom, replace this. This is where the millions of videos live. Let's go yoga. We want to change it with something like this, preview. Might want to use that instead. Oh, somebody trying to. Wide. And drag and drop. And do whatever you want to do, right? So it's just really cool. It's just really easy to use. You can change things. You can move things around. Drag and drop, right? Let's make it smaller. Oh. I always get into things I shouldn't have got into because I want to turn it around. Can't spin it. Angle, wide. I'm sure you can, but you can play around, mess about, do what you want to do, export it, and within minutes, so within 20 minutes, 30 minutes of just playing around and finding what you like, you've got a video ad that you can use for the rest of your business life. You can use it every year if it's related to something. All right, that wasn't probably the best place to put that, was it? But I think you get the point. You can tinker about, do whatever you need to do. This was just an introduction to how to do it and how to dive in, create your own, and then download them however you want. 29. It's going to cost you 20. What did we say pricing? If you pay monthly, it's going to cost you £40, probably $40 as well, to just create a video and then share it. And then if you put some adverts on that, you might get a lot more likes to your page, you might get a lot more sales, you might just get more fans. So the value of the 40 quid when you've got so many options and so many different videos to choose from, it's endless to you. And you're only limited by your creativity, isn't it? But you're only going to be able to do one video per month for £40, 8 videos for 80. So basically that's £10 a video, and then 280 quid you can get unlimited stuff, right? So give it a try. Let me know what you think. Just a quick introduction today. If you want me to set, I don't think you need me to do a training program on how to use all this. I think it's pretty obvious on how to edit and create things, but if people are coming in saying they need some help doing stuff, I'll create a free training program for you to jump into as well. Cool.